close to living at its best. Welcome to my new listing in Crownpoint, just 2 blocks from the bay. This spacious home has so much to love. Let's go take a look. Dutch doors welcome you into this open floor plan with birch wood floors that follow you throughout the home. Chef's kitchen with Viking stainless steel appliances, and take a look at these soapstone island and countertops. Excellent indoor and outdoor living spaces, 5 bedrooms with an optional 6th, and 4 bathrooms. Almost 3,200 square feet. Wake up to beautiful views of Sail Bay and never miss a sunset or views of the San Diego skyline from the rooftop deck. Unwind in your hot tub after a long day on the water. Enjoy easy access to restaurants, parks, and walking trails. Ready to make this home yours? Send me a DM.